Hey guys, welcome everyone. How are you doing, guys? Okay, this is Thursday sessions. Okay, for now we are expecting a little bit on upper side right now. Okay, so meanwhile it might like to go from this TP2 and maybe maximum till this level. All right. If I get an options for the shells, I will let you know immediately. All right, but nothing financial advice. All right, guys. Okay. So let's try to analyze over here. All right, guys. Let me remove this one. Let's try to analyze something on a Bitcoin. Okay, guys, hope everyone's doing good, huh, guys? Hope everyone is doing good. Let's go back to the 4 hours time frame. All right. So, just again, let me push the doors so that. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Hi. Just again. All right, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone is doing good. All right. Hi, guys. Those who are watching me for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. All right. Nothing financial advice, but it's only for the education purpose only, guys. Don't take it as financial advice. All right, guys. Over here, let's see on Bitcoin and Ethereum, gold. All right. Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. What is this? All right. Okay. On Bitcoin, what we have seen recently. All right. So this is on 4 hours time frame. So Bitcoin had a big uh, breakdown towards the downside. It is now at the edge. All right, at the edge. Okay, so this level. All right, before dropping down, maybe that can be a directly down as well. Okay, but I'm expecting a little bit on upper side, maybe towards the average point. Okay, so towards this zone once more. All right. Once more and coming back to $79,000. All right, so that people will get a short opportunity. I'm looking forward to get one short opportunity from this levels. All right, guys. Okay, if it happens to give me, all right. So maybe this is the level $82,200. It's a level whereby I'll be looking for the shots. It may directly go down as well. All right, guys, but most probably if it happens to go up. Hey, MB. All right, welcome, guys. Can't hear you. Can you hear me now? Hi, guys. Hello. Can you hear me now? Can someone give me a thumbs up? Welcome, guys. Welcome. This is on Bitcoin, guys. All right. So we have been seeing that Bitcoin have reset previously last week. It have broken down and it went all the for the retest. Okay. So I'm I'm expecting price to fall down, but before it falls down, I'm expecting price to go up and test this level $82,000 once more and fall down. But maybe that can be a direct downside as well. Can you hear me now, guys? You can hear me? Hello. Hi, guys. Okay, hello. Yeah, it is audible over here. It shows okay over here. Guys, it also shows okay over here. Let me check on my phone. All right, is it audible or not? Because it should be audible, right, guys? Then only you all will be able to understand. Yeah, it's audible, guys. It's audible. It's audible. Which time frame? This on 4 hours. Okay, guys. Firstly, we'll try to check on 4 hours. Most probably, I'll be expecting price to rise just till this level. So today, what you can see is this level and this level are so important for the Bitcoin. Okay, so maybe firstly directly going to this level and coming down, or it can directly dump till this $79,818 also. Okay, these are the two levels on the 4 hours time frame. We are checking it. All right, nothing financial advice, guys. Okay, so either the price will do something like this. Nothing financial advice, nothing technical. I just So, or the Bitcoin can come here and go over here and drop down or something like this. All right. So maybe according to the structure, okay. So for now, what we know is Bitcoin needs to go to $82,274 and Bitcoin needs to go to $79,833. Which side it moves faster, we also don't know right now. All right. So if it happens to give a good seller from this side, it can directly dump to this level as well. Okay. Let's see. Let's try to check on the smaller time frame. 15 minutes maybe, right, guys? This morning I was planning along with my people. All right. So almost three TPs were heated. All right. And I was waiting for the price to go to this level and come down, but it didn't do that one. In fact, it directly dumped from here. I started my long short position from here with the small fund and it went all the way down, right? This is on 15 minutes, okay, guys. So it went all the way down and I had to close my position, short position from here only. I closed it because the small gap was left whereby the Bitcoin can come anytime to this level. So meanwhile, I'm waiting for the short position from this level, especially, okay? But if it happens to go down directly, no problem. All right. So I'm waiting for this one. Meanwhile, I have activated my long position from this level so that while waiting, I'm going to go back with a small fund, go back and try to trace this one, okay? So that's my plan for now. So let's see what the Bitcoin does. Anything can be done. All right, for the Bitcoins. Okay, Bitcoin especially. Okay, guys. So let's see where it will give me the short position. All right, so I will be tracing on this one right now. Okay. If it happens to break down from this rate levels, then I can go for the shorts. All right. Then the bulls will get converted towards the short. Okay. For now, I have activated one position from here till this level. All right. So I'm holding for that one right now. Okay. In fact, if it happens to give us the short position, I need to immediately convert that one towards the short position. Okay, guys. So this is the position that I'm having with my stop loss in this zone. All right. So you got it right, guys. So we need to go back to check this level once more. Meanwhile, I'm activating short long position from here with a small breakout in the zone. All right, there was a breakout. All right, and I try to go for the long in these levels. Okay, so I saw breakout, and the third level I try to open my long position. Okay, on the retest phase, and I'm waiting for on the upper side. Okay, guys. This is what I'm doing. Okay, so most probably I'm thinking to plan my short position from this level because I was thinking to open a short position from here. It left us one trap in this level whereby the Bitcoin can come again. Okay, so nothing financial advice, but whenever I observe the market, all right, so it left me one trap. All right, so for that one it might like to go up and test this level or go up and test an upper zone. Okay, so maybe that can be very far as well. All right, very far as well. So maybe this one as well. But most probably this rate level or this level, I'm expecting the reversal. Okay. So let's see anyways, guys, nothing much financial advice, but yeah. Okay. It's sure 15 minutes time frame. It's for sure 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, this is now on for 1 minute time frame. Let me add an indicator for you all right, so that you guys Mm, 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 mm. So, second. What was that? I just forgot. I just when I remember, I will add it. So right now it is on 1 minute time frame. Okay, guys, Bitcoin on 1 minute time frame. We are pushing back. All right. I wanted to go back from this level only, but I got bashed off here from here to check on the levels that is on upper side. Okay. So most probably from this level, I'll be trying to short it. Okay. So let's see, guys, what it happens. Okay. Right now, so this is the level again whereby the Bitcoin have created recently for the trends. All right. Maybe I will mark this one with a purple one, right? So you see this breaking out from this level and trying to break that one. my longs will immediately convert towards the short. So people have been asking me how long I hold my position. Whenever I'm holding on a long side, like I keep booking some profits, all right, on my levels, different TPs, but uh, the thing is, whenever I get a short position from the top, I need to close my longs, all right. So when I'm following the trend, okay, when I'm following the trend, whenever I get the short positions, okay, immediately without retest, I close my long position and I wait for the short position. Okay, this is how I activate my longs and shorts, all right. So how I can hold for my position, okay, guys. So people have been asking me, when do you, how long do you hold, how do long, right? He goes between 1 minute and 15 minutes, I guess, Scott, right? Yeah, most probably 15 minutes. I start from the 15 minutes, and firstly I did on 4 hours because just to make you all understand, all right. So over here, now it have broken down below this one. Next time if it retest this level and breaks below this one, our stop loss, all right, my stop loss at entry right now, if it happens to break this one, you might like to get a big crash on a downside all the way towards the $79,527. All right, guys, that can be expected, guys. Okay, let's see if it's able to break this one or not. Okay, so all right, guys, so right now it's in 5 minutes once more. Let's see how far it can pump for now. Okay. Hi guys, welcome. Those who are watching me for the first time, if you are interested in learning trading, all right, understanding the market, right, don't forget to hit a subscribe button so that you guys don't miss my live streaming from Monday to Friday sessions, doing live with you all, going live, right? And you might like to get few informations, right, guys, which you have been, so you might be having information as well, but when we discuss together, you might be getting a better informations, right, guys? This is just the algo that I'm holding on. Still, I'm holding on the algo for the long term. All right. So let's go back to the gold, guys. What's happening to the gold? People are interested for the gold as well. All right, gold. Okay, gold here, right? If the gold again happens to break above this level, we can activate the long. And if it happens to get rejection from the top, then we can open shots. All right, for the gold. Okay, so TP1, TP2, let me. All right. This sucks. Yeah, on the gold, right? So yesterday I was saying to the people, let's go back to the 5 minutes time frame, right? Over here, we were over here. Okay, yesterday, people, I asked you all if the price happens to get rejection from the top, but it never gave a rejection and couldn't clear below this down. All right, short position got picked up, like it didn't get activated, and I always ask people to get long position from here, which was over here. Later on, the price came and pumped up. All right, so TP1, TP2. Okay, the gold has a chances to go all the way towards $4,829 as well. All right, but make sure that you are not getting any breakouts on the trends on a downside. Okay, so if you are getting a trends breakout on a downside, you need to immediately change your decisions. All right, guys, this is how I do. So let me clear this off, right, guys? Those who are interested in gold, all right. Okay, over here, let me clear all those off, right? Yeah. So this is the trend that you have on 5 minutes time frame. Let's go back to the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so it formed a W pattern in this level, okay, which is a bullish, okay, but it never did a retest on the downside once more, right? So it keep pushing like a Bitcoin and a gold as well. All right, so gold, one, two, again, it needs to pump up from here as well, I feel. Okay, Once it get breakthrough, again there will be a chance for the buyers. Higher highs, okay? So if it happens to break through and retest it, well, right, again you might like to get another higher highs on the upper side with the stop loss in this level, right? But if it happens to break down from this level, okay, if it happens to get breakdown and go up and get rejection from this level, you wait for the price to come down below this level and just short it la. You observe whether it is getting breakdown from this level or not. All right. This is forming a double top. All right. In fact, this is forming a double top, but wait for the price to get rejection from this level. All right. But if it is not breaking down, it is directly going up, then small retest. After retest, you might like to get one long position on upper side. Okay. So most probably gold is also in the verge of making a downside move. Okay, the setup is given for the shots because it is like breaking out uh, from the recent, which was this chart was given. All right, again, let's see. Either it should be forming something like this, coming down, pull back, right? Pull back to this level, go up or down. Okay, but you can observe over here if you are immediately looking for the long or short positions. All right, if it breaks out on upper side, give a small good retest in this level, just buy long la. All right, but if it happens to get break down from these two levels, that is one horizontal support and this purple trend that we have, then it might convert the price towards the downside. All right, relax, relax, slide all in. Okay, so this is the level. All right, so for the gold also, it might be targeting in the coming days very high. All right, for a long term. All right, but maybe it will like to have some pullbacks before it moves all the way on upper side. Okay, that can be expected. So if it comes back, maybe this is the level whereby the gold can come back after the breakouts towards the downside. Okay, you observe over here whether you get breakdown from this trend or not. We'll be observing together. All right, if it gets on the live only. All right, guys. Okay. So for the Bitcoin to convert towards the uh, short time frame bearish, it needs to break out from this level. Most probably, I'll be expecting price to move on upper side firstly before it drops down. All right, move, move, again, third move. Okay, so maybe that can be expected. On the third move, you might like to get the liquidations from the top. All right, that can be expected on the Bitcoin as well. This is on 5 minutes, guys. Okay. Oh, I was what searching for the watermark. All right, guys. Okay, people says they require this one. Designer Hub says we need to keep this one. Bottom right. Okay. All right, now better for you all. Okay, so you can see this one. Let me mark this one with a blue line. Yep, better. Let's see if it breaks out immediately from this level, then it will be converted immediately. We need to close the long position and we need to think about the short positions. All right. If it breaks down it from this level, it will be having a small retest. If it breaks down that one as well, then it boom towards the downside. Okay. So we are holding with this purple line. That's all. All right. On a long side. Long side, right. But most probably it should be giving a little bit higher side. Okay. Now it's breaking down a bit. Let me see. Let me go back on a 1 minute time frame and check it out on these levels. Okay. One, two, three. Again, it needs to push up once more. Once more push up. Let's wait, guys. All right. Let's have patience and just we will wait it. Okay. For now, stop loss at the entry and just holding. Okay, guys, nothing much. My entry was 80,827. 80,808. Stop loss over there. 80,813.60. Okay, it's breaking down on the trend. Careful on the longs, right? It's breaking down from the trend. All right, let's wait if it breaks down from this level or not. So immediate shots. All right, shots, giving setup for the shots, guys, right now. But I shall wait for the last retest to be done on upper side. Setup, giving for the shots. Breaks out this one or not. Let's see. Breaking out. Okay. It's creating position for the short term from this level only for the shorts. Okay, guys. It is breaking out our trend. Now a little bit risky for the longs. Okay, guys. Now it can convert towards the short side as well. All right. Broke out on the downside, guys. Broke out on a downside. We shall wait now. Shall wait. Okay. We shall wait in these levels. Okay. Now all the longs will get. It's be careful for the longs if you have longs. Okay, guys. Either you close it or hold it very carefully. All right. If the price happens to break below the strength, it's going to drop down now. Now it may play around the strength, right, guys? And if it happens to break down from the strength, then you will get a very big drop on the downside. Okay, so just be careful, guys. Let's see if it closes below or not. If I break out on the downside, it will play around a bit. So most probably I will be looking for the shots one. All right, guys. Maybe that can be from this level, this level, this level. Maybe it will like to drop directly from here as well. So longs will get. Now this is a signal for long to get a lot. All right, guys. For me, I use this pattern. Okay, longs need to get a lot, but I'm not opening short position right now. The sign is quite quieter than usual today. All right. Can you hear me now? For pinch. Now, longs need to be careful, guys. If it breaks below this one, my trend, just be careful. All right. I'm not opening short. Okay, but you need to be careful. All right. Those who have long positions. This is a signal for you all. First signal. It might like to go up as well. Okay. But if it breaks from this trend, it is going to be short. All right. Simple, guys. Just wait and see, guys, what happens. Yeah, better now. Yeah, my mic was a little bit on low volume. Okay, from pinch. Okay. Most probably I will be looking for the short positions, but I need to clear this off firstly. Mhm. Just again, okay, guys. So if it breaks from this trend, careful, guys. Short is coming soon after it breaks from this level. All right. Just be careful, guys. Short positions. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Charting from this level will be beautiful for me actually. A little bit upper side. Broke down from the recent support it have. Okay, one retest to be done from the upper side, then it needs to go all the way down. Let's see if it does retest or not. This morning there was no retest, it dropped directly down from this level. Okay, this morning I was observing it. Now shorts, longs need to close it, guys. All the longs, I'm closing it right now. Okay, the longs, this is risky now. All right, close position for the longs now. Oi, my long position getting closed. Okay, now activating a short, guys. This is going to be a short position, but it's not giving us any pattern to short right now. It got a short from here, this level. Let's wait if we get any short ones. Okay, longs need to close it. Why my internet is so sucking it? Need to close it. Hey, I need to open a short, guys. Okay, it is directly moving down, guys. This level, one gap is left on upper side. It's not giving us any wick to open a short. Let's wait. Just wait. It needs to be a shara, guys. Let's wait a bit. My internet sucks. It's coming down so low. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Shot it. Let's go for the shot. Nothing financial advice now, guys. Don't take it as a financial advice. This is for the education purpose only. All right. If you want to manage, you manage with your own. Breaks are guys. Okay, I'm selling this one. One gap is left on upper side. Okay, chart activated for me. Let me go back to the 5 minutes time frame, guys. There is a gap, 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 gap. Risky. Should be going like this, like this, like this, like this, but it came down directly. Something is planning. Wait, guys, wait, 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 wait. Going back to fill up the gap, guys. This becomes dangerous now. 1, 2, 3. This level broke down, just retesting on upper side, guys, right now. It's going to hit my stop loss in this level right now. My long over, looking forward for the shots. Hey, it's going to breach my stop loss. My stop loss in the zone. Look out. Test. I need to close this position right now. Wait it later. Nicely faked out, guys. Nicely faked out at this level. I'll wait for. I'm closing this position right now, guys. This is a good fake out on a broke down on a downside. I'll wait for this position from downside or go and trace on upper side. Right now, I'm keep closing this position right now. Little bit freaky the market is. I just wait. I just wait on this one. Broke out from the trend, broke out from the horizontal support it have, going up to take out the people from the upper side shots. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Yokes of opening, but market already too active. Yeah, right now it is too active. It is active because we are reached to the levels. If I'm assuming, this is just my feelings, okay, guys, nothing financial advice. So if it happens to come down and close below this one, the market has a high probability to drop all the way towards the downside, guys. This is what I'm thinking right now. Let's see, guys. Let's wait a bit. Or for the confident, we just wait for the price to come down below this one and just take one scalping on the downside. When below this level, just take one shots, right? So boom, right? That can be one. And right now, this is not giving us any reference. Let's wait the zone, either for the price to go all the way upper side. People must have opened long from here already again. Broke out, okay. Open long again. People are opening long in these levels, okay. Just wait, guys. I am not activating now. I closed my shots. Already lost week high. Time to check fine glass. All right. People have opened long from here, okay, because this was the breakout for them and retest. People have gone for the long in the zone. So most probably if it get bashed, let's see guys anyways. We will wait for the price to break down below this one. Let's wait. Not operating any. Because I'm not operating long now, I quickly closed my long because like anytime price will love to. This is forming a head and shoulder pattern, all right? Head and shoulder pattern in this level, guys, okay. If you see it carefully, this is a head and shoulder pattern in this level, okay. If you check on 15 minutes, you will see it clearly, right? And before that, before it comes for all the bearish, it might like to trace from the top, but anytime the price will love to go down, we cannot wait. So most probably one plan is for me, I wait for the price to come to this level and short, or or what I shall do, if I get any position on the downside, I just short it from this level, okay. This can be one plans for me right now. Reaching this head and shoulder pattern, okay, firstly all the shots will be taken out from this level, okay, then go up, okay, and come down later. That can be one. All right. Best liquidation level at 80,260. Because we need to liquidate the people who have short on this level, guys. I just wait for the perfect move from the top to this level. People have opened long, but it is a little bit risky as it have already broken out, loosed its support from the downside. Okay, anytime price will love to go down. If it doesn't go for the liquidation, then this pattern is going to be followed. So a little bit risky, guys. What you think, guys? Wait for the liquidations or directly plan short? If liquidation is given, then it's going to be very dangerous, guys. I wait, I wait. I'll miss this long position if it goes upper side. Okay, I wait over here. It broke down from the this recent trend that it have on a 1 minute time frame and came down all the towards the bigger trend. Okay, I'm expecting some shots. One plan from the top level it's coming down. One plan, if it goes directly down from here, it may not move very low, but I think it's going to give you all the short positions. Okay, but if we wait over here, let it go like this. The liquidation from the top. Let's wait. Excuse me. This is a short from this level. Retest, broken down, retest. Okay, let's see. Broken down, retest done. Confident trade can be wait for the breakdown from this level if you want to go for the quick scalping. Okay, one is from this level, directly short it, right? One is from the wait for the higher levels, right? That can be two positions. One can be from here. Right now, I try to open one shot from here, but why I feel it's risky is like if it happens to go for the liquidation, then might like to bash me again. If it goes short from here, my target will be, our target is going to be first level of target is this one. Nice. From here or from here, two levels for me to short it. Coming for the shots. Let's close below. See guys, let's see. New York session is not yet over 3 minutes before New York sessions. If we can break through these levels, we'll try even lower. Yeah, range. I'm also thinking. Let's see if it able to break down. It have broken down already, but the thing is, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait. Patience, patience, patience. Mm, mm, mm. Breaking out this trend, guys. Breaking out this trend. Get ready. One shot from here and shot from got a rejection. Okay, let it close, let it close. No, it didn't close, guys, not yet. It needs to close, guys. It needs to close. If it doesn't close this level, not yet. It didn't close below. It's not closing. All right, close. Come on, not closing yet. Not closing. It didn't close. Broke out on upper side. Okay, not yet. List of tuition universities. Patience. No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Let's get back to 1 minute time frame. Did it close? It's not closing right. Not yet. It didn't close below, guys, yet. Didn't close below. For 1 minute, you might like to get very small drop. That can be very small, guys. 1 minute, it is closing below, but it might like to give very small drop and pump up again. Not yet. Wait for this move. La, 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 la. Okay, coming down. 5 minutes is not able to close below this candle. Okay, from anywhere the price will love to go up again. Okay guys, so I'm waiting for the price to go up now. 5 minutes we are not able to close, so right now I'm missing this one. Maybe it will give another retest for you all. Like this. Excuse me. Patience. Patient, I get a small one. Yeah, if you are going with a small one, that's good already. Free range. The one thing is, it's not 5 minutes didn't give the confirmations yet. Only 1 minute. 1 minute it closed below, right? Which means anytime price will again pump up and get down. It might like to give for you all the drop, but anytime it can go up and test once more. Didn't do anything right now. I'm letting it to go. If I miss, didn't get my confident. But this will be the label. If it continues to drop 79,000, this should be giving you 1.21% drop. 5 minutes candle needs to close, then only it will show you there. Nice, nice, nice on downside. 0.21 given. wait, guys. I wait. Nice, nice, guys. Next time it come below down, this below this level, it is going to be very quick on the downside. Remember that one, guys. Next time when it comes below this one, okay, you'll see a very fast move on the downside without anything, just stops. Boom. All right. Liquidation 80,522. Mm. Next liquidation line 80,522. Mm-hmm. Mm. Wait patiently, guys. Mm. Patience, 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 guys. Patience, patience. Nice. 0.42. Wow. This level. Those who have missed this shot, You are going to get it, okay, guys? Don't worry at all. Don't worry. This is the target. If it breaks down from this level, Bitcoin $78,618. Wow, this is going all crazy. 0.56. Hey, why is it giving like a crazy drop? Missed this chance. It's coming to this level, guys. It's coming to this level. Right. Now this is the only support that we have. One level. More than 23 million liquidation right now. Whoa. Whoa. No news right now. Yeah. Luckily, I closed my long position over here, guys. I wanted to open a short, but I'm not getting confident from here. Actually, it was if it was getting a rejection from this level, it would be so sweet for me. Superb, guys. Superb. Superb shot. In fact, superb. Missed this one, guys. I missed this shot really from this levels only. I have been so irritated today. I missed this shot from this levels. I opened a shot and just closed it because there was a structural gap which made M pattern over here double top, which it couldn't give the proper retest on the upper level. It couldn't give any proper retest. In my BIP group, I have given them shot. I asked them shot and closed in this below over here. This is crazy. This is super crazy. No problem, guys. You'll get the shot opportunity again. Don't worry, guys. Okay. We need to reach this level. Iran and United States have agreed to ease the American blockade of Iran pose in exchange for a gradual opening of the strait heading to AI. Mm. News, news. I'm looking forward for the short positions on the guys. Don't worry. You'll get it. You'll get it, get it. Just wait for this to one, this one. Otherwise, I keep missing from the down. I didn't want to take this one. 0.64 because of the candle closed. 1 minute was perfect. 1 minute it went all perfect. What you think, guys? Continues towards this level? 79,828. Continuously down. Going up now. Don't get FOMO, guys. Don't get FOMO, please. You'll get lots of opportunity. Opportunity is coming back. Shobo. I wait. I can't long over here also because like it have already broken out. Okay. I just wait for the price to get back and from these two levels maybe. It's possible, but it's too early to judge. There's too much uncertainty. It's news and refuted. There is significant addition, so it's new breakthrough is possible. New breakthrough. Maybe, yeah, right. That can be also possible. We cannot say anything, right? That can be possible as well. Mm, mm, mm. One support broken, which is making the Bitcoin bearish. Okay, if the market wants to take liquidation, we'll just take out all the short position from here, go up, maybe keep going up, but I'll be expecting price from this level or this level to short it. Okay, two things for me. Right now, I have one position from yesterday just running. I booked 75% profit from this level this morning, running on the short. I have from this level. Yesterday's one still running. This morning I just traced this one, but over here short I need to I got it out. Over here I closed on my break even. One short position was there, but that was too risky for me. This one broke out. Wait for the retest quarter rejection again. Wow, 0.95. That's wow. Perfect position. Just trying to catch one move. I don't know. I'll get it or not. Excuse me. Here also breakout was given. I couldn't long because of market already. Crash the support. We are in middle right now. Let's see. Let's wait for a few 30 minutes or 1 hour ride. Guys, if we get opportunity, we'll try to execute it. Okay. We need to reach to this level. Let's wait, let's wait. Patience, guys, patience, patience. Patience, la, patience. For the shot from here, 0.63. I'm not doing anything, guys, right now. I'm letting it to go. If it continues, this will be done on downside. But one bullish move is given over here, one breakout. But most probably this is going to fake out and keep pushing downside. Right, that can be expected. तेरा मेरा क्या हाल है Price is really active, right, guys? Price is really active. It's not a secret what leverage. It's not a secret. Perfect. I have a leverage of 49 for that one, but I don't have a big fund for that one. I have only 49 leverage because I wanted to hold. Yesterday I have given you all in the group, right? Just I'm holding that one till 78,000 something else. Yeah, this is the level I'm targeting. Okay. Booked already. Booked already a good profit. Only small amount is left now. Just I'm letting it to flow with stop loss in my entry zone. Two positions actually, Binance and one is on different. One is with just X5. One is 49. So maybe this one is tracing our guys, Vera, right? What you think? This is tracing or not? But only 1 minute candle is closed below this support level, not the 5 minutes. So I'm expecting price to reverse it and come back from the upper level only. This is broken out, so next time. So short have got in. Again, market may like to go up and take out all the shots over here. One, two, three. Okay, pull back over here. Most probably I'll be waiting for this good position from this level. If it doesn't get, no problem. Okay, but if it gets over there, I will try to execute one shots. But if it happens to move up from here, it will be on bull move again. Good bull move. But I don't expect any good bull move right now. Okay. We never knows, right? But news, like you have said, the news, anything can be done with the news. Anything can be done. चुकी जाए प्यार मेरा No, not yet. Zaza, time halam ko. Just watching market right now. Nice. It flipped from a hand just because of the 5 minutes candle, guys. No problem. No problem. No foremost. Let it flow. Too risky for it is giving the long setup over here, breakout. But this is too risky, guys. It's giving us the long setup. Yeah, there. Long setup. Too risky, guys. Too risky one. Dollar chip. Harjit. Hey Harjit, how are you, Harjit? I'm not taking any setup right now, but holding from the top, I'm fine. We just missed one setup from here on the downside. Okay. Small scalping, I'm just ignoring it. All right. Small scalpings, which is inverse towards the direction, which is very risky. Okay, guys. Very risky. This is very risky. reverse towards the direction. Let me wait. Guys, this is a risky trade now, guys. 5 minutes, okay. But why risky? Because of it's in the middle part, but the setup is there for the long. Okay, setup is already there. Setup, you got it. Dollar cheap, dollar cheap. What is it, Harjit? Is it like your uh? Is it the dollars you're holding? That coins you're holding? 'चलता जाना मेरी Mm-hmm. 0.5% you have. Small scalping, guys. Small scalpings. I think it's go lot today. Yeah, it will. I'm also thinking, but I'm waiting for one position from the top here, which I may miss also. But below that one, I'm not taking because anytime the price will go up and just bash that one sometimes, right? I'm not taking that one right now. The lower level shots, small scalpings. Okay, I need to hold a little bit to wait for my position. Very small liquidation under. Yeah, liquidation is for this pattern. I wanted to wait for this pattern's liquidation. Right now, people have entered short from here. Okay, so market might like to take out all those short from here firstly, right? Because the pattern is given for the shots only. Okay, head and shoulder pattern is for the bearish, right? And people usually enter short from here. Okay, In fact, if it was coming already, if this liquidation was taken, I would have taken it. One confidence was that one for me. Okay. And second one is the 5 minutes time frame candle couldn't close below the support level, which means anytime the price can come for me, I just don't get confirmations with the 1 minute time frame correctly. So sometimes it will just bash me off. It will sometimes get returned from taking a small, because this is just the hope that the bearish have got it. Okay, bears have got the hope and they started enter over here, and this will be their entry point whereby this long scalping will be exceeded. Okay, so from here, if it happens to get rejection, drop all the way down, good. Okay, well and good. But if it happens to go up more than this one, then market is going for the liquidations on the upper side, this level. I saw the setup from here only. The price was coming from here only. Okay, the short setup was given. This setup was given already, and my final target was this level. I quickly closed, just thinking that there is a still liquidation left on upper side. Lots of shots needs to be get out of the trade. Before market goes down, it will take out all the shots, then only it will plan for the downside. Voice not clear? I don't know, guys. Voice not clear. Is it clear now, guys? It's not that risky for a small long, really small liquidation. It might like to, this just a scalping up. If price happens to get rejection from here, it will dump down. So this is the target only. Next is, so my next plan is all from here only or from this level, this two level. But I had a hope on this W pattern. Okay, if it was going like this, that would be a downside. From here, good liquidation and downside. Rather than going on upper side, it just failed from here only, which means next time it comes on an upper side, maybe that's from here only, right? Maybe if it goes up and clears this one, didn't get rejection, keep clearing this one, I'd like to directly receive the price taking out the liquidation side. That's also possible, guys. Just be careful. So I'm not entertaining any setups right now. I'm just waiting. I had a one long position from here. I close it, thinking that my target was at least till this level, so that this forms a good W pattern. So it's always I try to uh what to say now, figure it out which is good for me or not before I enter. That's this scalping also I didn't enter, but there was a setup. Setup was there. Okay? Setup was there because it just broke out on upper side from this level, came down, it's done. Second time, would have good setups on upper side. It's making one trend over here. As long as this trend is not broken on the downside, this long is good. This scalping. If it breaks down, then this is the level. manage your risks, guys. Accordingly, you have to manage your risks. Setup is not everything, guys. Risk managing your risks is more important. If you're going with a small fund and making small losses, that's fine. If you're going with a big fund and making big losses, hundreds of trades must be activated from that uh, big fund, right? But wiped out in a single trade, and that's not fine. Okay, that is not correct, right, guys? Okay. Now this long is at risk, and it's coming for the short position, which can be like we expect price to drop again. Not closing. Close. Closing, yeah. See if it is closing or not. If it closes, then market is going to come down. If it doesn't close. 0.37. Means price is still hey, it's coming down now. Coming down, coming down. 1,806. $9,856. Hard to say it's continuation or pattern or breakout structure. Right now, it will be decided from this level on, I guess. Continuously drop down, then that's shorter, right? Just broke out this trend in the small. This is the next level the Bitcoin will move, and after that, this level. What I expect, but not 100% sure, guys. Don't think as a punish advice. Sometimes it will just drop from here also. Boom. Mm. Stop at entry. Close. From here, it will be decided, I guess, most probably down or up. Most probably it will try to liquidate. Right now we are in middle, so guys, this is the support, that previous support we had, strong support. It broke down, Bitcoin dropped down. So Bitcoin have two options right now. Okay, either continue, get rejection from here and continue on downside. That is one. Okay, next is, next level is just go up, just go up and take out all the liquidation from here and drop down. That is two. Okay, third one is directly move up on upper side, making it bullish, which is a little bit less impossible if in fact if there is a news or like anything that can be possible, but the structure is, everything is failing on a down, the levels are failing on a downside. There is a news maybe that can affect that. Well, all right, this is what I feel. Either Bitcoin continue on the downside or go back and take the liquidation. That's all. So my plan is simple. I just wait for the price to go up, then only I will take it. Because sometimes I start my short position from here and price just goes up for the liquidation, I will get bashed off. Okay, just wait. Getting bashed off everyone. I'd like to get a quick move from the upper side towards the downside. Okay, I just wait for this levels. Just wait for the price to go up, take out the liquidation this level, and I plan my shots. If I get the setup for the shots from here, okay, this is the level. So that's going to be around $82,110. On that one, I'll be waiting for the price to get as one short position. So meanwhile, people usually I take sometimes pull back as well. Okay? So if it was above this support, I would have taken the pullback to this level. But right now, market broke down in the support, so I'm not taking long side right now. Okay, because like if it gets rejection from this level, side without the so possible, right? And I think it's impossible. Okay, that's the thing, guys. Play in this zone. So just need to wait. Okay. Play like this, I guess. Let's see, guys. What if hard to say it's continuation, yeah. Because of one, the people who don't have an idea of liquidation, they will directly plan for the shots and pull it. But because sometimes having a less knowledge is also advantage. Okay, having less knowledge is also advantage sometimes, right, guys? You don't get fear of like the market. What for me, what I do is even if I get set up, happens to go up for the liquidation, I just keep missing this one as well. Sometimes, hi, Neen, hello, how are you, Neen? Neen to be. So sometimes, if there is no knowledge of you see the setup as soon as you take it. If you have the thing of liquidations and all those things, stuff. Whether you should take it or not, a little bit. So which I call it is a risky trade. Risky trade. That is a setup for long. Broken out, retest at one. It forms W pattern over here. Pick upper side, a downside, moving up directly. So in this zone, usually I just wait. Clears off on upper side, I'll take it. If it gets rejection from top, take it. Yes, W pattern, boom, down. W pattern, I don't like liquidations with the W pattern. Drops here, then 79,867 can be expected, right? W pattern. W pattern taking liquidation right now. This is the liquidation on downside. Planning it. Planning. Let it go. Coming to this one, I guess, most probably. Risky trade, but why I call risky over here, there is a setup for the downside. Because my stop loss gets too high, my stop losses. If you are taking with a stop loss over here, well and good, right? This much. This is the support you have, resistance you have. If I have to take trade, this doesn't make gives me any sense. Setup is there. Selectively, I take the trades. You see, if it happens to go for the upper side, making this bigger W pattern, then stop loss is going to. If it is here, it might get flashed off anytime, right? So I don't take this short setup as well. Variations on the W pattern broke down. Let's see what it does. Hey, hey, bro, what's up? What's up? Having ping?
Mati pati, namni mana, maji lami.
Uh,
Reis, trivia journalist. Namni sudah mula, namni. मैं हमला apa? बुजुर्ग लगे देखे ठप गरेर गइस अझै यो पुटिरहेछ terrorist should DM him.
oh, danger, man. This danger, too dangerous.
के भयो अब कुनै सक्दैन
Most funny arrest.
हेर्दै नि हेर्नु नि मैले न अनि ठाउँमै पनि मान्छे पुग्यो आफ्नो सिसी दामी हो दामी
Hi, Nin. Hello, hello. Hi, hello. 0.17 dump. Understand, make your research, okay, guys. I'm over here just to help you all to analyze the market. All right. So, what is good? What is entry? What is exit? You manage. Lovely. Hi, hi, FF Gaming, FF Gaming. So, this is the quick side. Hey, Luckily, how are you? So far, so good. Luckily, doing good. Luckily, you're doing good. Luckily, so far, so good. Got it from the top this morning, brother. Wow. This one, this one, you got it. This one, luckily, that's super. That's super. That's super. Field price 82,546. I'm holding till $78,000. Watching 24/7 Dragon. You've been waiting all week for this to come down. Confirmation negative. It broke down and came down for the liquidation from this levels. Okay, I told you this is coming down, but I didn't take this one. I don't want to take all those small moves. This for the scalpers, those who are scalping. This is the level. If it breaks down from here, boom down, guys. Sweep up, sweep up. Small scalping again. lovely on downside. Today, pressure is towards the downside, sellers. Dragon, you have been making money. Yeah, I'm holding one trade from the top right now. But I'm expecting if it goes up, I'm going to again reactivate one position from the top again once more. If it gets holding from this one, $82,546. One trade is active from this level right now. I will show you all on the group next time, guys. Okay, this is the level that I have got because everyone knows I was waiting for this position long time back. Meanwhile, in another account, I keep scalping small one. If there is a good move according to the risks. Mhm. Lovely guys, lovely, super. Mhm. But this morning, what I did is the silly things, guys. My BIP, okay, I gave them our long position from here. They traced all the long from here to this level, all right, and that was 0.96. Okay, from here I gave them one shot and I asked them to close it on this level because I was waiting for one more confirmation from the top, which the Bitcoin never did it. So I asked them to close on this level and keep dropping it. From here, I gave them another long again, okay, which was only 0.6 percentage. And I was waiting for the position to go up and was which the market did down. For now. That's good, brother. The way I've been getting in with a small margin and with just yeah, one position I'm going to add it once I'm back. But seems like market is right now aggressive towards the downside. Well, till so there is a still opportunity for the shots. Okay, guys, don't think your opportunity is gone for the shots. It will be till shots is going to come till go back to the 4 hours time frame, right? Short opportunity. Mm, Still over here, you'll see only shots will be more active. So there are so next level, maybe the Bitcoin might like to reach all the way towards 72 to 73,000. All right, still over here, this range you might like to see. Nothing financial advice on this. Is what I do usually. Till this level, you will be seeing the shots only, I guess, most of it. Okay, this range. From here, this level was all long. Here to here, this level might be up and down, and you might like to see short moves. Then only might like to see your sideways or breaking down upper side or down this week, next week most probably. Okay, so this coming week I'll be looking for mostly for the shots only, but with the proper planning only. All right, with my proper planning. Okay. It's been on a bull run for weeks, so I expect the unexpected. No, Draven bull run was never there. Bull run was never there for me, especially. Though the price was rising it, but all the pressures that the Bitcoin was having from this breakdown, the retailer keep pushing the market towards the upper side of this level. Broke down rather than coming down. Now it's coming down to this level. And one thing, guys, now after over here, okay, if it happens to break down below this level, market crash will be there till this level, I guess, most probably. Okay, nothing financial advice, okay guys, nothing financial advice, but most probably you can expect a crash till this level 73,000. This is what I'm expecting right now. Okay, if it happens to, it happens to break down below this trend. Okay, break down below this trend, retest it, boom, down. This is what I'm expecting. So I'll be waiting one position from the top on another short position. Okay. Meanwhile, so over here, people said that this is a bull run. This wasn't a bull run for me. This was the retest that the market did for the breakdown from this level of the trend. Okay, market had this trend. All right, market had this trend and came down. I opened a long position from here. Okay, and this level, all the way from this level, I was looking for the short position only. This drop, all those from here. So after the last move I took it because it was nearer towards the bull side. Okay. This level I was totally looking for the shots only. That was what I was doing. Okay. So that I can catch this big moves from the top. All right. What I did, this is what I did. And for now, if the market happens to keep remaining in this trend, well and good. Bull run will come for me once clears and gets inside the previous trend it had. Okay, here I'll be most probably planning for the bull side, bull side, bull side. Okay, side. So you'll get a bigger profit on a bull side rather than shorts. Okay, over here your target for the longs will be very small over here because this is a drop. Okay, even if you get the setup, your target will be small, 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 small. Okay, quickly you need to book it. For over here, once it gets cleared out from here, if it drops down, again the target is going to be for the longs. You are going to get small targets only, maybe TP1, TP2, TP1, TP2. Most of the time you will be getting the shorter side more. Okay, so this is what I feel. All right, and after it gets breakdown from here, you are going to get crash. All right, but if it happens to never break below this one, this trend, it's running it, then it is going to be getting back to this level is going to give you all a big bull run whereby you will be getting longer position more. Okay, longer position will be more and short positions will be getting small targets only whenever you plan your things. Okay, either on the scalping or day trading or swing trading, whatever, right? So that's going to happen, guys. Okay, and one thing, bull run can come from this level as well. Once this level or this level, okay, once it clears 5, it have broken out. Okay, this was the resistance from the previous one. It have broken out. Okay, once it get down from here, and if it happens to clear on upper side, then you might like to get a good bull run over here. After clearing out this one, next week if it clears this off, then you might like to get a, if it happens to never get a pop, then it will be on. So accordingly I plan it. All right, over here as well, over here as well I was looking for the shots only, especially in this top, because I was expecting in this level for the drop. Pushed all the way, picked out and dropped it down. This level also you have seen that price where all candles were getting smaller, all smaller. Those who are scalping, they were not getting any proper targets at all in this level. For the shorts also a small target, for the longs also a small target. was on the retest phase, middle phase. This was the one after the news, okay, which it did it, okay. From here again, it did it smaller, smaller, whereby it means profit for the long as well as short was very, not very big one, okay? Big one. Over here, you see there is a big profits, all right. Longs, hold, big profits, bull run, big profits. Within the trend, not the bull run, I mean. Okay, guys. Let's get back to the job again. All right, came back, last move left again, liquidation done. So drop again to this level, play around a bit, and maybe try to give you all the trends over here. It's going to drop again. For the scalpers, this is very good. Okay, because of my VIP people, what I did is I changed scalping to a little bit long trade. Whenever there is breakout, I try to give it from the top only. So after they add with the breakout and they take all the profits. How long? Brother to another mother, questions what you call bull run. 1 to 4 hours. Weekend day. Okay. May 7. Settlement time frame. Okay. Brother from another mother. Usually, and for my mentees also, I have been talking with them like brothers from another mother. Brothers, come on, let's do it like that. This again, there will be a drop, I guess. Right, one, two, oh, three, all drop left, around. Okay, this is what I think. So most probably this to this level to most what you have seen in the previous if you have seen the history, all right, history, the bull run started last bull run, right? I have been showing this one for all the peoples who are interested to learn, right? So in this bull run, what happens similar like today, currently it is happening, just the history of cannot be like repeated, sometimes it get repeated also, but 100% not confirmed, right? Nothing education financial advice, but for the education purpose, right? So over here broke down from the trend, and this was having a longest rally of retest phase, okay. So after breaking down, what the people expect, it should be coming down, right? Should be dropping down, all right. Over here also we are in this phase, okay, whereby we are getting a small drop from here, right? Small drop from here. If it remains within this trend and happens to pass above this trend, then you will see a big bull run on upper side, okay, which is going to throw the price on upper side, okay. So this is what I see, okay. As long as I'm not getting out of this trend, I'll be planning for the short, because the advantage is we are on the trend breakout and this was the retest. But after getting through on the upper side of this trend, above this level, okay, so this was the level, right? Now whatever, this was the level, all right. So over here, after getting through the trend on the upper side again, the previous trend, then it is all for the bull run on, okay? If the trend fails, okay, if the retest fails, then it is going to be a bull run, all right. So over here, if it fails, and if it happens to right now, what I'm saying is right now we are in this phase, okay. If it happens to come down, and again if it fails on the downside, we are going to go down. But if it happens to remain within the inside this trend and pass above this trend, then good bull run is going to. So we are in the retest phase right now, exactly if you check on right now, right? case, if we happens to go back this trend once more, settles over there, then you will see a good bull run. It's going to throw the price all the way heavy on the upper side. That can be expected, guys. Mm. Rossi, we are in this trend right now. So happens to go back, get rather than getting breakdown from this level. Rather than getting breakdown from this level, if we happen to go up and continuously pass above, and from this level, all the bulls will get in and price is going to be thrown on a bigger upper side. Right? So most probably this is going to happen. Bull or the bear can be happened only after 13th or 14th May. After that only you might like to see whether that was a big bull run or a bearish again. Okay, so that will become confirmed on after that one. Nothing financial advice, guys. Okay, nothing financial advice. This is only for the education purpose. Those who are interested to understand all those things, right, guys? Though this is messy, hope that was understandable for you all. Okay, those who are interested to learn. Okay, so over here my stop loss, my entry as the right is at the right position, whereby if it gets converted towards the bullish, then I will be out from my entry, right? My stop loss at entry. Okay, now I'm keep holding it down. If it keeps on the downside, even if it gives a wings, okay, here breaks down, if I give a retest on this level, I will be in positive levels only. Might like to receive this one. So most probably this week I will be looking forward for the bearish move only. Next week maybe that can be a bullish or the bearish view as well, right? Let's see, guys. Anyways, okay, let's see together. All right, BNB dips below $650. All right, time to go 90K. Learning to hold them longer now, brother. All right. So if you understand, it will be easier for you all to hold it also. So you don't keep watching like again and again. You just see the market or still inside the trading zone, getting inside the trading zone. For long term, especially that is important for the long term holders, right? If you are holding for a long term, also you need to keep booking some profits. Meantime, right? So that later on you don't have a like regret of getting zero profits from there after holding for a long time, right? Keep booking some so that you guys don't regret it, right, guys? Okay, I just want to help you all out, okay, in terms of whatever I know. All right. You check on this trend, it's breaking out. The recent trend, if you forget about all the retests that we have. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, the trend is creating broken out downside right now. Bearish way. What you think, guys? Over here. This is the trend you have in the 1 hour time frame. If you the exact 1 hour time frame, this if you observe it, price have broken down on the downside from the trend. Small retest being done. So will there be another retest or not? If it never does the retest, which means next time comes all the way from the downside without any getting back from here, it will just blow away on upper side. This is what I have observed, guys. Okay, nothing financial advice, only for the idea and purpose. So we said last time after breaking out from this level, I was just for the beers, things. Lovely, guys, on the downside right now. retest was done at this level. After it broke down, quick retest was done over here. Crash it. Yeah, I missed this one. I entered and I just closed it because like I was hoping for something else. 2.1 percentage done. All right. That can be a biggest crash as well, guys. Okay. Maybe. I entered twice now when I go and take one profit and hold one and then dragon, let it flow. Use your words. Let it flow. Yeah. Okay, let it flow. All right, dragon. Okay. So from here it broke down the trend. All right. If you are the average trend, right, broke down from this level, done a quick retest. Simple. People might be thinking people are making it complicated only. That's all. So just had an average trend. It broke down, went for the retest. Small retest was done. The retest passed. It's the average trend that has passed. People have opened a short position from here. Test was done. Boom down. All right. So over here, what I was expecting is directly getting touched on this. So I just missed this one from here. My peoples. All right. Small one. Boom down. Right. Broke down. Now we have this support, which have been not broken down previously. Okay, this is what we have right now. So most probably this week will be profitable for you all to check for the shorter side only. Most probably. Okay, guys. So other than getting setups, this is what I can discuss with you all, right? So probably at time this level you might like to, after breaking out, like to see a small pullback in this level or this level, and again getting back. This is what you can expect, but let's see how far it can go down, right? This is coming to $79,700 now. Now in flying, I'm flying. You give me wings. I learned a lot from you, so thank you so much. I appreciate that. All right, brother. I'm always there, guys. Okay. So just to understanding market is more important so that you don't feel any confusion over there. Sometimes understanding too much is also very that's also not very good. Guys, okay, I have been explaining to you all right. Sometimes understanding too much is also very not. The level is small for the long, so it will be very small profit. Sometimes it goes to till over here, down, small like this, go up again for the retest, right? There again down, right? Lots of things are back to this level, maybe the two level, all right. So I have one hope from here, okay, which is the Bitcoin never came back to pick it up, a little bit upper side. This is left for now. The gap. Okay. Let's see. Anyways, it's breaking out the 1 hour time frame trend right now. Okay, guys, give me wings. Keep booking some profits in the certain levels when you are pop the support. Okay, example something like this. Just booking some profits in this level. All right, so that if you're holding from the top. so that even if it is not able to break through this one, you are still able to get some profits over there. Okay, guys, let's see, let it flow, let it flow. All right, right. Okay, so for now I have nothing planned over here because like I'm not giving you all the small scalpings. Okay, guys, all the scalpings now because people are helped out with the scalping as well, but they are not able to manage their risks well. All right, scalpings. Maybe you can expect the price again drop to this level. It will give small, then this will be dropped. Okay, this is what you can. You are scalping it, small scalpings. You can always get it. Then you shot it from here. Small profit will be there. Okay, 0.7%. It's like this. All right, guys. Hope that was helpful to you all. Okay, guys. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait and see. If you are in short from the top, well and good already. If you don't have shots, you are going to get another opportunity. Don't worry at all. Because I'm saying it, okay? You are going to get the short opportunities. Don't worry. All right. Horizontally, what you see, rules. You check on 4 hours, still we are in the trend. Okay. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, so clear for you all. All right, this is what I'm expecting right now. Let's see if we get. All right, so if you don't find any long opportunity over here, you cannot long it. If you find a long opportunity, but long opportunity will be right now you are in the bearish phase. Okay, so it will be given in such a way that get the profit again, you get bashed off, you get the profit bashed off, something like that. All right, this can be one long opportunity on a 4 hours time frame. Okay, going back to that average point. All right, and coming back all the way towards the downside. For now, 1 hour's time frames average point is done. 15 minutes, 1 hour are done. But if you see in the 4 hours, they're still in the trend, and you might like to get a pick again from this level, guys. Okay, so we never knows how far it will go. Sometimes it will happen to come down directly also. Okay, you just need to be careful. All right, guys. So this is the next setup for you all those who are holding for the longs. All right, since I'm not giving you the scalpings, I'm giving you the directions for the 4 hours time frame. But manage your own risks, guys. Nothing financial advice. Okay, so this is what you can expect these levels right now. All right, so if it happens to go continuously up, then this short is going to be bashed, but too risky. But if you're holding for the long, this is going to be one good thing. All right, so it needs to come down over here. It needs to give the structure for you all right, on the long side. Okay, then only you can plan it accordingly. All right, this is for your directions, but you cannot directly enter over here. You need to wait for the confirmations, breakouts, retest, everything. All right, rejections, price actions, all those things comes over there. All right. So I have been holding with this one short position, 4 hours time frame. So I might like to close my positions around 78 to if it gives a breakdown towards the downside, well and good, get all the profits, right? This can be expected in this level. All right, or from here go back on a go back. All right, so most probably I'm positive towards the bearish this week. All right, let's see anyways what happens. Right, let it flow. All right, that's why I entered two times. It gives me profit, stops me losing. I was emotional week when I was trading with dragon. Now I'm warrior trader like dragon. Okay, just have a patience, la patience. So holding for the long. For the scalpings, you need to be a little bit quick because like for you need it quick. Okay, need it quick, so you need to be a little bit fast and booking profits. All right. You need to fast in booking profits. So over here also lots of things will within this 4 hours time frame candles, lots of things will happen, go back again, come down. All those things is going to happen. If you are solid, here you just plan for the longs, shots and coming down. Here also if you are scalping small, we need guess rejection. Keep planning shots, all right. Planning shots. Next, all right. Keep planning shots, right. And it will be profitable for you all. Okay. If you plan longs, you can plan it long as well. Nothing is over there. But you should be booking your profits to a little bit early. Okay. TP1, you hope for TP4, but only TP2 will be your NBA. Over here as well, if you're planning for, if you have one target, only the half will be filled. Okay, because this is bearish, a little bit bearish on the sideways. All right, small time frame. This trend is coming down, right? Downtrend. This is all right, guys. Let's see, guys. Anyways, okay, nothing much complicated if you try to understand the market. All right. Over here also on the trend, this is called trend, right, guys? Over here also you cannot buy directly, guys. Directly you cannot place your long position. You just need to wait for the confirmations, retests, and but this will be the potential place for you all to buy it. Sometimes it fits you all a little bit also. Okay, you should be careful for that one because lots of people will buying in the zone. The pressure only. Okay, market knowingly it tries to drag you down a little bit and push the market towards the upper side and again drop down. This is what I'm expecting right now. All right, this is my plans, guys. Okay. So it couldn't fill up from here. Later on, I'll be waiting for one short position from here again. Okay, this is my short position. Then while waiting long also small scalpings I'll be doing on the side. Okay, for right now, for those who are aggressively looking for the trade. Okay, those who are aggressively looking for the trades. Nothing much financial advice, guys. Okay, you get one trend over here on upper side. All right, something like this. Try to if you should be very quick on the scalpings, guys. You are scalping it. So right now it's trying to break out. Don't believe that breakout. This is just a fake out. All right. Don't believe that one right now. Try to get on the 4 hours, 1 minute time frame. You're trying to get breakout from the trend. Don't believe that breakout. Okay. It will just give you all a small options on the downside again. So everything is about the risks, guys, but manage your risks accordingly. So most probably from this average point, if you try to get from this average point, well and good. If you don't get also, it is risky, but this is again a short setup for the liquidation side. It gets on upper side, breaks you out, faking you out as well. All right. So most probably it will try to fake you out in the zone. Just be careful for the longs. Okay. Those who are looking for the longs in the zone. This is zone. This zone is called fake out zone. All right. This will take your liquidation once more. Okay. This can be one scalping for you all. All right, guys. Small scalpings, 1 minute scalpings. It is risky, in fact, but it is quicker for you all. All right, guys. All right, guys. So that's all for today, guys. Nothing much. Okay. So just be careful. Tomorrow I'll be coming back, and again we'll be trying to check it on the market. What's the opportunities? Try to see the directions. So every day it keeps changing it. All right, guys. So tomorrow, if it happens to get lower than the trend, right? Rather than going for the retest, it keeps lower than trend. Then the way you see the direction, market direction is will be a little bit different, right? Keeps changing. So it's always better for us to keep tracking the markets, right, guys? For scalpings, you will get lots of opportunities if you're a scalper. But if you are planning for the long term, you need to. All right, guys. Okay. Take care, guys. Have a good time. Bye bye. See you all. See you all tomorrow. Signing off, Dragon.